How do you use ByBit in the USA and other forbidden countries? ByBit is one of the leading exchanges in the world, but unfortunately some countries do not allow their residents to trade on it. In this video we show you how you can still trade safely and easily on this exchange without difficult steps. If you want to trade in crypto, then you have noticed in recent years that the US and other countries you see in this list has cracked down on crypto regulations, making it more difficult for citizens to trade in crypto. That is a shame, because right now is the time to take advantage of crypto. But is it still possible to make a profit with crypto? Yes. In 3 simple steps we will help you create an account on one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. The only thing where ByBit looks at when signing up an account is where the IP address is located. You can use an IP location where ByBit is allowed, for example the Netherlands or Germany. We can easily get around this by using a VPN. A VPN ensures that your IP address is in a different location during your sign-up. I found a working VPN for you on vpnunlimited.com. In 3 simple steps they make it possible to create an account via a secure IP address from a place where ByBit is allowed. Step 1. Download the KeepSolid VPN. Step 2. Create an account and log in. Step 3. Connect your browser to a server from a country where ByBit is allowed, and congratulations, you can now create and use an account from the USA or any other banned country. You can also now use the $3,000 deposit bonus on ByBit. We have put the link of vpnunlimited.com in the description. The price for this VPN is only $5 per month, but if you only want to create an account on ByBit, you can easily use the 30-day money-back guarantee. So you pay nothing at all. Of course you have 100% account security if you leave the VPN on. So as you can see, it is quite simple to still be able to trade on ByBit from a forbidden country. It only takes you 5 minutes to do this. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. We will help you. Good luck trading crypto, and see you next time.